Hi, so I am rebuilding my printer with adding another of this rail to my Z axis. So this is the one I have been using until now, with two rollers on the side and one screw. I changed this from 4 to 3 on both sides, and now I have to build the other one. So I want to show you how I build this. Okay, so this is the other one. Basically it's the same 20 millimeter, 20 or 40, no, it's 20 millimeter profile. This one you just screw it here, it's not fixed yet. Okay, so it should look like this, like the other one. And I already have these two. I showed you earlier, previously, how I made them. And now I have to also, for this this is mandatory, you need this screw with a small head. Why? Because you see, this one is to fit like this. And let me see if I can film it. You see, the screw must fit between here, there. So it's a normal screw with big head, it will not fit between the slots here. So I had to go and buy some of these small screws. I'll let you in the description the name of the screws. Okay, so let's build this one. So I know from the this one, because I already measured it, the profile needs to be till half of this circle. So that's one. Okay, and you need two of these because with one it will spin. Okay, so this is one. And let's mount the other one. You can check here that the nut is gonna spin completely. There. Okay, and I'm gonna check it from this side as well. Okay, so the nut is perfectly perpendicular. Tighten them a bit. Check this side as well. All it's well. Okay, so next step is to adjust this. You see, this one doesn't fit as it does on this. So here are the tools you need. This is a 3 millimeter hex. See, it says 3 here. This one is for tightening this as well as this. Then you need this 8mm for this, and then you need the 10 for adjusting this. So how do you do this? This is it's too close, so it doesn't fit. We need to increase the gap here. A bit more. Okay, so now it fits, but now we need to tighten it a bit because it's too loose. We tighten it a bit more. So it shouldn't have too much play, but it should still freely roll. Maybe a bit more. Now it starts to go a bit harder. Maybe put it a bit. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so now all I need to do is adjust this as well and mount it. Okay, so the next step in building is I have the frame, well, without the bottom. I have it here as well, but I had to remove it in order to insert this. So I inserted these two that I just built, and now I just connect this. 4 screws, and there it is. I can connect all the pieces back. Okay, so I want to show you one more thing I found when I'm adjusting these. I discovered they're not like perfectly squared, so let me see if I can show you. The idea is, the best way I found it to adjust it is to put this to the bottom and then tighten it like this, because like this I know it's the distance between this and this is exactly as it needs, and same on the bottom. Because the thing is, you see, if I put it slowly, you see it's a bit closer here than here. So when I push it like this, it will force this and this beam to be parallel. When I tighten them, it will be exactly perfect. Okay, next step in assembly, I move this from the center a bit to the side, on both sides, so I can insert this. This one has 2 of these. It's gonna get fixed on here. I have my power supply here. It's on this crappy cardboard support, but we're gonna change it. It's just for design, and it's gonna be fixed in these 2 points here, 2 points here. Yeah, I lost this one, but we're gonna put it back. So the deal is that I ordered these new nuts, because these ones were great because they spin, and you see they have this rounded. Problem is they do not have enough space in this kind of profile, so they can spin like they do on this one. Here they can spin perfectly, it's wide enough in there. But this one it's not, and they can go as much as this, and I don't like it. So I ordered these ones that have this ball here, and you just put them, they should go like this. At least they push evenly on the sides. This one would have been like this, and I didn't really like it because it needs to go like this. Okay, one more headache because of these kind of profiles. I just couldn't find these ones, and I missed a few profiles when I did the tapping in here. And I ordered this without knowing that they're different. I didn't know about this stuff. So this is how you continue with the mounting, in case you're interested in making this build. So next I will just put this. Of course this one needs to be moved here. Yeah, it doesn't matter, here there is also offside. Anyway, so now I have two of these fixed in this on both sides, and the bed will sit on this. And of course this will go to the middle back here with the motors and the steppers. Okay, so this is my new build. I think this is most of the mounting of the parts, how it's done, and I will come back with testing when everything is assembled.